Hi, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Laurel. I'm Laurel, and in this short video, we're going to talk about markup versus margin. Lots of people are confused by markup and margin, so let's talk about what each of those is. Let's say you own a business and you bought a jacket for $80, so that would be called the cost of that item for your business. Then you turn around and sell that item to the consumer for $100. So that's called the selling price. The gross profit, which I'm just going to call profit, will be the difference of those two amounts. So the selling price minus the cost. In this case, $100 minus $80, which is $20. When we're finding either percent markup or percent margin, we're using this profit, but we're finding what it is as a percent of different numbers. So specifically, if I'm finding percent markup, I'm finding what percent the profit is of the cost. If I'm finding percent margin, I'm finding what percent the profit is of the selling price. Let's find each of those with this particular example. So to find the percent markup, we take the profit of $20. Our base that we use is cost, which is $80. We divide 20 by 80, we get 0.25, but to express it as a percent, we multiply by 100. So we will have a percent markup of 25%. On the other hand, the percent margin is based on selling price. So it's the same profit of $20, but our base now is $100. So our percent margin is 20%. So understand what a business means when they're talking about their percent markup based on their cost, or percent margin, which is based on selling price. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got this straight. Let's take that same jacket, cost is $80, and now we're going to sell it for $160. So now our profit is going to be 160 minus 80, which is $80. To find percent markup, we're going to find what percent the profit is of the cost. So in this case, it would be 80 in our numerator, 80 in our denominator, and that would be 100%. Okay, the profit is the same as the cost, so we've marked it up 100%. On the other hand, if we're finding percent margin, we're going to take that profit of $80, divide by the selling price of $160, and we will get a 50% margin. So in other words, the profit is 50% of the selling price. The profit is 100% of the cost, but 50% of the selling price. Understand that your percent markup will always be greater than your percent margin. I hope this clears it up for you. And in my next video, I'm going to do a bunch of examples where we do markup and margin exercises. See you then.